The passing of Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia on February 13th marks the 14th time since 1900 that a justice has died while serving on the court. Considering the position is for life, it's fair to say that it's not that unusual. What is unusual is the appointment of a justice during an election year, with only 6 since 1900, and only 1 since World War II, current Justice Anthony Kennedy. Washington is in a tizzy because after the passing of Scalia, the court will likely be split 4-4 on all important decisions between liberal and conservative judges. With the lasting impact the court can have on the country, both sides of the aisle are hoping for their party to select the next justice. All of this focus on the Supreme Court has brought 8 justices who we don't think about into the limelight. Can you name them? No? Let's review. From the most junior justice to the most senior, we have Elena Kagan, who was appointed by President Obama in 2010, Sonia Sotomayor, appointed by Obama in 2009, Samuel Alito was nominated by George W. Bush and assumed the role in 2006, Stephen Breyer, nominated by President Clinton, took his seat in 1994, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, also nominated by Clinton, joined the court in 1993, Clarence Thomas was nominated by President George H.W. Bush and took his seat in 1991, and after the passing of Scalia, the most senior associate justice is now Anthony Kennedy, who was nominated by Reagan and joined the court in 1988. The current Chief Justice is John Roberts, who was nominated by President George W. Bush and joined the court in 2005. How'd you do? So who will fill the empty seat on the court? With the Constitution saying the President has the power to nominate judges of the Supreme Court, but with the advice and consent of the Senate, and with the current majority party being Republican, it's obvious it'll be a battle to appoint the next justice.